Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a super fast internet connection for gaming, streaming, or private browsing, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a UDP server account using the 12.5 Tec Online platform. If you're not sure how to set it up on the HTTP Custom VPN app, don't worry. Just check out the previous video linked in the description below. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and in the search bar, type 12.5 Tec Online, then press enter. Now, look for the official 12.5 Tec website in the search results. Once you see it, click on the link to open the homepage. On the homepage, locate the menu button. It's usually at the top corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the list of available options. From the drop-down menu, tap on UDP VIP server, and then click on UDP Custom Server from the sublist. You'll now be redirected to the UDP server account creation page. This is where we'll generate your fast speed server. To create your server, enter your username, solve the CAPTCHA, then click on the Create Now button. In just a few seconds, your server details will be generated and shown on the screen. At the bottom of that section, you'll see a Copy Server Info button. Tap it to copy your server data to the clipboard. It's a good idea to paste it into your Notes app or a safe location for future use. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create your own UDP server account for faster, more stable internet. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more VPN and server setup tutorials, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.